Welcome to my channel. This is Zoom Photography. Today we want to do unboxing of a new addition to the family. It's the Pixel K80 professional photography light. Without much ado, let's roll the intro. Okay, so this is a video/photography light I got at a local online store. And I'll open it and let's see what is inside. All right. So we have the power cable. Put it here, power cable. And we have the power adapter, which you connect into the light. What else do we have? We have the manual. Let's put it somewhere. Wow. Wrap it and nicely wrapped. Straight somewhere. Okay. So this is it. This is the light. Pixel K80. There are two variations of this light. There is the RGB version and there's the one without the RGB. The RGB versions will give you different colors in the spectrum. You can change the colors right on the light. So let's take this plastic thing off and see what we have. All right. Wow, it's well built. Out of the box, the impression is wow, it is well built, metallic. It's metal, so you can feel it. And it has bundles. The bundles will help you direct your light to where you want it to go. It also comes with a gel, color gel. This is an orange gel, and also another gel, plain one, for diffusing the light. This one will help you diffuse the light the more, so that the light will not be harsh. The light is very compact. It can go into my DSLR bag. Where I put my laptop, I can always slot it there, then carry it anywhere. And it uses the NP550 batteries, 2 of them, but it doesn't come with it. You have to buy it separately and slot it in. So you can even use it for outdoor shoots. You carry it everywhere you are with the battery. You may not need the power cord to plug it in, so you can carry this on your location shoots. As I said, this is not the RGB version. It is color balanced at 5600 Kelvin. So yeah, that's it. The one with the RGB to be indicated on the at the back here, that's RGB. So when purchasing, initially I thought this was the RGB version till it came in. I realized there are 2 different types. This very type, there has not been a lot of review on it on YouTube. I could have seen it. So get it. Make sure when you are buying and you want the RGB version, you get the one it is written on RGB. I love the idea of the bundle inbuilt. You don't have to remove it. You don't have to remove it, or anyways fix. And it also has the mount here. Can help you direct the light whichever angle you want it to. In the sky, down low, or wherever down. So you can move the light at any angle and you already have the mount. You're not going to buy a separate mount. All right. I'm sure this light will be very, very bright. So it has a lot of LED lights on it. A lot. Shall be very, very bright. I will switch it on so that we'll see how bright it can get. So I've mounted it. Let's see the power output of it. It's already on. So this is 0%, 16. Just see how bright it is. 16, 8, 29, 40%, 66%. This is full 100%. This is enough light for you to do your wedding, bridal dress up, room dress up, B-roll, and other things. It's a helpful light. I'll recommend it for anyone who does photography and a small video as well. I want to say here that I've not been sponsored by Pixel to review this. I just bought it and I feel like I should review it. I'll put the link in the description below as to where you can get it. I got it in local online shop in Ghana from one of our suppliers called NK. I'll put his link also in the description below so that anybody wants to contact him will get it. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I'd like you to subscribe and share my channel. Give me a comment, say hi to me, and let's chat. Thank you.